Green Team Media.
It was a beautiful set, actually. There was actually when it surprised me. That was the first time I shot a scene with Steven. But actually that day we had beautiful light. It was a beautiful sunset in Barcelona. The square is fantastic. And I'm shooting in my hometown. Not my hometown, but in my home country. It was fantastic for me. I was also very surprised by Gina, the star of the movie. She's amazing girl. Everybody said to me that she can be quite dangerous at some point because her physicality is strong, but I found a very sweet lady with some kind of spark around, a beautiful smile, something very sweet, very something that many people is going to relate to. I loved her. I think she's going to be brilliant. Probably we are now just witnessing the birth of a new star. Not only just how quick he goes, which is fantastic for actors and I suppose for the rest of the team, but also the fact that he doesn't use lights. He goes with natural light and also using you know, the new technologies that we have now at our disposition, which is fantastic because in a way these technologies in a certain strange way make very democratic the art of filming movies, because anybody now that has a camera and especially a good idea, you know, they can actually tell a story, and he's quintessential for that in a way.